Hey David, why are we here?
To pick up chicks. We love our little bantam hens, but they have a terrible habit of going broody all summer.
While we've raised chicks without a broody mama hen, we've found using our broody banties for chicks is the easiest and most entertaining way. Here is our broody hen. She's been broody for a couple weeks now. We're hoping to see if she will adopt the couple chicks we plan to get tomorrow. David, where are we going?
To buy chicks. Willow, are you excited for new baby chickens?
Just letting the chicks discover mom? Yeah, that didn't work. I have found the mama hen will much more readily accept the chicks when I place them directly under her. Harriet has gone broody again, and although her chicks are 10 weeks old, they are not ready to give up their mom and join her here in her nest box. We ordered some chicks direct from the hatchery. This morning they missed the mail truck to the small town where we live, an hour and a half away. I called around and found a friend, and he picked up the chicks for us. And it looks like they are all doing pretty well.
Chickies in this box.
Oh, don't shake them, David. Are they cute?
Uh-huh. You want to see?
They're all packed a bit like sardines. Originally, I'd planned to raise these chicks under a heat lamp, but fortunately, I had 2 hens go broody before they arrived. The hens are making a piping sound trying to call their chicks, but it's not a sound that these chicks recognize yet. These chicks were almost a week old by the time we introduced the hens, as we were waiting for our cousins to pick up their chicks. We didn't want their chicks to take home anything our hens might have to their existing flock. This time, the chicks had trouble accepting the mama hens, as they were used to the heat lamp being their source of warmth. The chicks finally start to get the idea as we push and hold them under the warm underbelly of the hen. This is a bit of a slow process because there are so many chicks. I want to celebrate when they finally get the idea all by themselves.
I love those ones with the brown stripes. That right there is beautiful.
We just introduced the chicks we got in the mail to our 2 broody mama hens. The mama hens were willing, the chicks were a bit hesitant, but there's not really enough hay and bedding in that box, so I'm going to add some more, which means dumping everybody out, and we'll see how they go back in. The hen went right back in. That's a good start. As for everyone else, not very well. One of the weirdest things to me is to go down and there are no chick chirping noises. Maybe it's that it's dark instead of having the light from the heat lamp, but whatever it is, they just seem a lot more content being under a broody hen than even being raised under a heat lamp and growing.
It looks like all the chicks are still all snuggled after their first night.
A few weeks later, it's time to introduce them to the flock. Chickens act like little dinosaurs and are just about as fierce, so we take this very carefully. First, we'll put them in their little enclosure inside the coop so they can get used to seeing each other. Then we open up a small door the chicks and mom can fit through, but the other larger birds can't, so they still have a place to run back to for shelter. Soon after, they'll be fully integrated, but having a mama hen really helps to make sure that they are taken care of, and they are much more quickly accepted when accompanied by one of these moms from the flock.
Is the easiest and most entertaining way. You want some food? This is Cozy Cow Farm!
We've learned a lot over the last couple years working our mid-century hobby farm.
We've grown, and so has our herd and flock.
But we still try to affordably increase our self-reliance while ensuring we and the kids are having fun.
Every day we find there is still more to learn.
So subscribe to join us on the journey.